Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 76 multiplayer. First, open your social menu from the main game screen. Here, you will see your friends list. Simply select a friend who is currently online and choose the option to join their world. This will seamlessly place you into their game session. Alternatively, if you are already in a world, you can invite friends to join you directly through the same social menu. It's a straightforward process to team up. Once you've joined a friend, you can form a team of up to 4 players. Being on a team offers significant advantages. For instance, you'll share experience points from enemy kills and completed quests, making leveling up much faster. Teams also benefit from various buffs and bonuses, such as increased damage or defense, depending on your team's composition and mutations. This cooperative play enhances your survival and progression in the wasteland. Fallout 76 also features public teams, allowing you to quickly group with other players for specific goals, like completing daily operations or exploring. These teams offer different bonuses, such as increased experience for exploration or better loot drops for events. Additionally, public events frequently pop up across the map, providing opportunities to collaborate with many players to defeat powerful enemies and earn valuable rewards. It's a great way to engage with the community. Effective communication is key to successful multiplayer. Utilize the in-game voice chat to coordinate with your team, or use the extensive emote system for quick, non-verbal cues. Planning strategies together for difficult boss fights or complex quests will significantly improve your chances of success. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work in the Appalachian wasteland. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the links in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your real-life camp clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.